Hello travelers, today we're taking a look at the brand new Evo shaver from MicroNovelty. I previously reviewed their Evo travel adapter. You can click the card in the top right hand corner to see that one. This is the world's smallest USB-C rechargeable travel shaver. You can click the link in the description to back this project on Indiegogo and help them to launch the product. Now, MicroNovelty did send me this production sample of their product for this review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. My first impression while unboxing this was just how small and compact it is. The box you get the shaver in also includes a charging cable and a nice little carry bag and a little brush to clean the shaver with. In the final production packaging, I imagine you'd also get some instructions and a more branded box. The shaver feels nice in hand and is very smooth and easy to operate. It has a single on-off power button, and you press and hold the button for a few seconds to lock or unlock it from the safety mode. The safety mode makes it so that it won't switch on accidentally while in your pocket or in your bag. Pressing and holding for a few seconds turns the shaver on, and then you can start using it. Now I know I don't have very thick or coarse facial hair, so it didn't really have to work very hard when I used it, but it did a great job and felt very smooth in my usage. It's also smaller and lighter than this battery-powered Panasonic shaver that I bought in Japan a few years ago, although some people might prefer having replaceable batteries over a non-replaceable rechargeable battery like this Evo shaver has. When it comes to cleaning, this shaver comes with a little travel brush, and the top does come off when you unscrew it. The top section can be rinsed underwater, but the main part of the shaver itself I don't believe is waterproof, so I wouldn't risk putting that underwater. For the main body part of the shaver, I just used the little included brush to brush out the loose hairs. Overall, a really nice, compact and packable travel shaver that does a great job for even touch-ups or shaves on the go. I would certainly recommend to anyone looking for a travel shaver, especially if you're looking for one with USB-C charging. Please do leave a comment below what travel shaver you use while traveling, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos.